Hello, stop wasting money on expensive weight boosters. Green mangoes, what do you do with the peas? Do you throw it away? No, it's not right, because when you throw it away, other animals like rodents, rats will eat it, grow fatter and bigger to come back and fight you as a poultry farmer. You know that as a poultry farmer, you can't do without all these rats and all these rodents, because they always come for that feed. The feed has strong aroma that attracts them into your poultry house. Wherever you keep the feed, they always come there. No matter how protective you are, they will always come. These mango peas are a very good resource to boost your broiler growth and weight in short period of within 3 days. Stop wasting money on expensive growth boosters for your broilers. In this particular video, I will review some secrets to faster growth for your broilers so that you know how to gain massive weight. This is the period of mango. After peeling the skin, watch the video here. After peeling the skin, you don't just throw it away if you're a broiler farmer. You can still make use of this mango peas to boost the growth of your broilers instead of throwing them away. I want to reveal the secret to you, how to grow your broilers. The secrets that you can gain from your kitchen waste, kitchen trashes, all those trash from your kitchen. You don't just throw them away. Make use of them to grow your broilers instead of growing animals to come and attack your poultry house. In this video, we will discover how to turn green mango peas into a powerful, all-natural weight and growth booster for your broilers with a visible result in just 3 days. We cover the nutrition, medicinal values of mango peas and the preparation method, dosage, and how to use it correctly. Please, if I didn't cover all this, please remind me on the comment section. I will amend it, please. I want to cover all these areas in the particular video. That means this video is going to be a bit lengthy, so don't blame me, please, because it's going to cover a lot. It's going to cover how to prepare the mango, the dosage, how to use it correctly, medicinal values and nutritional value of green mango peas in boosting broiler weight and gain within a short period of time. In 3 days time, you get amazing results. And before the end of this video, I will show you the particular broiler I'm using it for, because this is the period of mango peas. After peeling the mango from my kitchen, I make use of the waste and grind it, blend it. After blending it, I use the juice and feed these particular broilers. I'm going to show you the weight of this broiler. I will make sure I show you the weight before the end of the video. Please, if I forget, remind me on the comment section. Poultry farming is becoming more competitive, and the cost of commercial feed and other feed additives keep rising on daily basis. As a popular poultry farmer, finding cheap and effective natural alternatives is a game changer. Green mango peas, often thrown away by some people, are packed with growth boosting nutrients and medicinal values that have strong properties that can boost your broiler within a short period of time. Stop wasting money on expensive growth boosters you buy from the market. The synthetic ones that are very expensive, some of them are over 7,000 naira in the market. Stop wasting your money. Use that money and buy feed for them, while you make use of all these kitchen trashes and boost your broiler weight. All of them are very important. After this particular topic, I'm still going to another kitchen waste you always neglect. I'm going to eat, and I'm going to bring the results for you so that you see how this combination is helping me to grow this broiler weight. Let us start with the nutritional value of green mango peas. Green mango peas are rich in vitamins and nutrients, including crude protein 6.2%, crude fiber 14.3%, calcium 1%, phosphorus 0.3%, vitamin C and or ascorbic acid 32.3%, antioxidants has polyphenols, high concentration, tannins, natural digestive estrogens that help reduce bad gut bacteria. All these nutrients support weight gain, better feed conversion, and to improve their immunity. Once the immunity is very strong, any feed they consume will get maximum effect in their body, and they will convert it effectively because they are sound in health. A sound broiler will give you healthy meat and quality meat at the same time. What are the medicinal value of green mango pea in broilers and other poultry birds? And concentrate on broiler because Broiler is a bird that need faster growth because you keep it for short period of time. One, it improves digestion. Even you as a human being, when you eat mango itself, you know what happens to your body system. It increases digestion. The fiber and the tannins help regulate gut health. It boosts immunity. The high vitamin C and antioxidant fight infections in poultry. Infections like bacteria, viral infections, pathogens, other parasites. It helps them fight them in their body. It fights diarrhea and gut inflammations. Thanks to the antimicrobial properties of green mango peas that help to fight diarrhea, they keep their body sound. It stimulates appetite. You as a human being, if you eat mango, even if you are not hungry, it keeps digesting the food you've already eaten. Make your stomach and your stomach free so that you'll be able to eat more. That's what happens when you blend the juice of this particular mango peas and give to your poultry birds. It frees their gut system at the same time, make them to eat quicker. And as they eat it, they're converting the feed, and the feed will give you the maximum meat. You have maximum meat in their body. That's what happens. It stimulates appetite. Natural compound enhances feed intake, and at the same time help in feed conversion. Reduces oxidative stress. The polyphenols helps in faster recovery and growth in broilers. How to prepare fresh mango pea juice. Watch the fresh mango peas. This was once we ate within our environment. Many of you are eating these green mangoes. After eating it, you throw it away. After this video, please stop throwing it away. If you don't know how to do it, please let me give you my address. Send it to me. I will make use of it and grow my broiler and send the broiler to you. I hope we are making good results. First, collect, as you see these ones on the video here, collect green mango peas. After eating the main mango, I didn't say you go to the market and buy mango and peel it and throw the mango away. No, the ones you buy and eat the mango juice itself. The peas, the ones you peel like these ones here, peel the fresh ones. Don't dry them. If you are drying them, it's a different compound. It's a different thing. Alternatively, it doesn't have to do with the juice. If you are drying it, you are using it for feed. That is a different topic that will be treated on another day. But for today, we are treating how to boost broiler weight and growth within short period, within 3 days, with green mango peas. If you dry it, you are using it for their feed. But when it is fresh, collect it, wash it, eat the fruit. Keep the peas, gather the peas together in a very clean bowl. Wash them thoroughly with clean water. If you have blender in your house, kitchen blender, please join them there. Don't mind the quantity, please. What you need is the juice. If you have fridge, you can still preserve the juice for a longer period of time, maybe 3 to 5 days. If you have a very good fridge that can store it. If you have fridge, blend them properly. Add 1 liter of water and blend it with blender. Please, I'm not going to demonstrate all these ones because I'm in the office. I can't go to the kitchen now and carry blender. Blend it thoroughly. If you don't have blender, you don't have money to buy blender, and you don't have blender, what you do is use that your kitchen mortar and pestle. Put it there, pound it the way you pound tomato. The way you use it on grind tomato, that's exactly what you are doing. Add water and grind it well with your mortar and pestle. Let the paste come out as if you are blending tomatoes in a mortar. After blending it thoroughly, add little quantity of water to make it faster for you. Then sieve it to extract the juice only. Use it immediately or refrigerate for more 2 to 3 days. This is exactly what you are going to do. Then what are the dosage? Dosage: 10 ml of fresh green mango pea juice per bird for 1 day. 10 ml. Get 10 ml of it. Add little water. Put inside your water. That 10 ml is enough per bird. Then if you are using 100 ml syringe for injection, you have 10 ml, you have 20 ml. 5 of it. You can extract 5 of it. Add it into their 10 ml water and give to your birds. Let them finish it completely. For chicks, 1 to 3 weeks, 5 ml per day is good for them. Then mix it with drinking water. Give it directly using a syringe without needle. If your birds are sick, if they are about to buy, and that bag is too weak, please get 1 meal of that. Draw it and feed it directly to that particular bed that is very weak. You see that this bed is so weak that if you allow it, it will not survive the next day. Put it inside their mouth. You see that bed will get energized immediately and start moving around. If you welcome new birds, you just buy new birds, they arrived, and you know that they are weak. Before giving them food, please get 10 ml of it, add it into their 1 liter water, and serve to them. Allow them to drink it completely before giving them another water again. After that, give them food. You are going to see how that bird is going to perform. If you have a refrigerator, store it in the refrigerator for 3 days. That 3 days, give it to them consecutively. 1, 2, 3. Every day, the same pea juice. You are going to get amazing results. Let me show you this broiler, and you see the weight again for this particular broiler. Let's get there. This broiler is exactly 6 weeks as of today, and it's giving us almost 4 kg here. You can see this is 4 kg. This is 4 kg, and this is 6 weeks broiler, 4 kg. You can see it. See the feed we use here. See our feed here. You can see our feed here. We'll see where this one. We don't use commercial feed here. We use our own feed here. You can see the feed here. This is our feed here. You can see we're using mash here. So this is not pellet. This is mash. It's giving us amazing results. You can see the feed here. You can see this one eating it from there. This is the feed. This is the feed. We prepared this particular feed today, and it's giving us amazing results. And we use all these natural boosters. We use all these natural boosters to boost the feed, to boost their growth. This is the feed. This is mash. It has a strong aroma. You can see. You can see it. You can see it here. Exactly 4 kg. This is the second one. This is another one. You can see this one also. This is exactly. This is almost 4.1 kg. This is 6 weeks broiler, 4.1 kg. You can see it. You can see the broiler. The 6 weeks broiler, 4.1 kg. You can see it. You can see it. This is 4 kg. See the broiler. Want the feed formula for this particular chicken? The feed formula I use for them. Drop it in the comment section. I will give you the formula and you get it. Once you need the formula, on the comment section, tell me that you need the formula I use for this particular birds. These are 6 weeks birds, and they're giving me almost 4 kg average of this weight. Please drop the comment section. I need the formula. If you ask me on the comment section, I will send the formula to you. You get the formula for this particular birds. Share this video to reach more farmers. To be a patriotic poultry farmer, you need to share information like this so that other farmers will get the same information you have gotten from this. Many farmers don't even know about this channel. And if you know that you are gaining little knowledge from this particular channel, why not share our videos to reach more farmers? And at the same time, if you're not a member of this particular channel, subscribe to channel membership. It gives you a lot of benefits to be a channel member. It also helps us to gain and grow our channel. What are the benefits of this green mango peas? Faster weight gain for your broilers, better feed efficiency, healthier and digestive system for your poultry and livestock birds. Green mango peel is more than just a waste. It is a gold mine for broiler farmers who knows the value. Use this cheap, natural and fast method to boost your birds, cut feed costs and grow healthy broiler chickens. If you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with other farmers. Let's grow together naturally, and make sure you subscribe to our channel membership. This will help us to grow the channel and at the same time help you to grow your own business altogether. You need a formula for this particular video, drop it in the comment section. And if you have any issue concerning your broiler birds or how to grow your broiler birds with natural waste you derive from your kitchen that you throw away, ask on the comment section and I will tell you what that particular West will help you too if you have not treated the video yet. And that video is loading on the same West very soon. Watch it, don't miss any of them. Make sure you subscribe to our video channel, both Dr. Nutritional Chats and the Poultry TV, because all these videos are loading in each of the channels, and I can load the same video in 2 channels at the same time. One here, one here. Subscribe to Broiler to get all our videos. Thank you for watching. Drop your comments. Let me start from there. Thank you.